So what I'm going to ask you to do at this point is analyze a tiered task. It's a set of tasks written for fifth graders in a classroom where there is a group of students who are identified for gifted services. There are also within this class some students that struggle with reading and organizational skills. And so the data on the students was used to identify who would be in the ready to go group, who would be in the just ready group, and who would be in the not quite ready group. What I'm going to ask you to do is use the data retrieval chart that you see here on the screen. There's one that's been uploaded for you to use. And I want you to analyze the content. What is it that you would say students are engaged in? What are the big ideas and what are the topics that students are engaged in? What's the focus for each of these groups? What are the thinking skills? Now, these are not necessarily going to be identified, but ask yourself, if students are going to engage in this task and be successful in this task at their level, what type of thinking are they doing? You could make it very broad, analytical, creative. It could be critical thinking. It could be problem solving. It might be decision making. What resources and research? So other than a textbook if it's mentioned, what other resources might students need in order to complete the task? And then finally, what are the products that students are producing? Keeping in mind that a chart is a product. It may not be a polished finished product, but it is a product. Any sort of discussion or set of questions, those are considered products. So anything that students produce during the course of or at the end of a result of the task that they're engaged in.